Setting up your Acrobatiq course. When you first enter Acrobatiq, you'll notice this wheel icon in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the wheel and you'll find several areas you'll want to review as an instructor. First is the instructor dashboard. This gives an overall view of how your students are doing in the course. Next is the gradebook. This provides the actual scores to unit and module tests that students complete. Next is View Student Work. You can click on View Student Work and actually take the student view of Acrobatiq. You'll actually have a listing of all your students and you can progress through Acrobatiq just as they did. Next is Course Settings. This is where you'll want to click to get started in setting up your course. You can also do a browser check or choose Help. For now, let's start with Course Settings. In Course Settings, you'll find that there's 4 tabs. The first tab is going to be the Course Settings tab. Here it is, Course Settings. The only area that you want to update is the start and end date. If you want to add your course start and end date, you can do that. That will not lock students out of the course. The dates do not affect students' access to the course. Choose Save. Next is the Manage Users tab. You most likely won't need to use much of the Manage Users area, but it does provide you a listing of all the students that are enrolled in the course. Students are automatically enrolled in the course once they have access to D2L. When they click the Acrobatiq link in D2L, they are automatically added to the Acrobatiq class list. The only time you'll need to adjust enrollment is if a student drops the course. Then you'll simply come in, find the student, and click on Remove. Next tab is the Assessment Settings tab. The Assessment Settings gives you a chance to choose how many times students can take the unit exams. So you can choose 1 time, 2 times, several times, or an unlimited number of times. Make your selection. You can also adjust assessment scores, so you can choose their first attempt, their last attempt, the average, or the maximum, their highest score. Once you're done, choose Save. The next tab is Personal Practice. You'll want to come in here and make this setting either check it to allow for personal practice to be scored for students, which gives you a better idea how students are doing in the course. And you may want to be able to track this. So if you do want to see students' personal practice scores, you'll want to be sure to come and select this box. It's important to do this right away because if the students have actually gone into the Acrobatiq course and made an attempt already and you haven't made this selection, the option will be disabled. So after this, you'll want to choose Save.